everyone, my name is Noor. Me and my group, Razan and Mariam Khouri, did an AI machine learning project, and I'll be explaining the details and what we exactly did. So first of all, what is AI? AI is also called artificial intelligence, and it is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines that are capable of performing tasks that typically require a human intelligence. So me and my group did this AI project, and before I start explaining how do you use it, I want to say that we used machine learning to do it, and our project name is called Healthy Food Indicator.
To start making our AI, we have to firstly train it. I went on to machine learning for kids and we added some data. We added data about healthy food and examples of every type of food that could come to mind. We wrote things like carrots, broccoli, acai, rice, eggs, everything that could come to your mind. And then we did the same on the unhealthy side too. We added things like fast food restaurants, chocolate, candy, everything that you can think of, so that anyone that tries to put in that data, it would show up. The more data you have, the more accurate your machine is going to be. So after adding lots and lots of data, I then clicked on Learn and Test. This takes me to a place where I can test and try my machine and see if what I did was good or not. So there, as you can see, I just added some examples, like I wrote ice cream and it told me that it's unhealthy and gave me 100% confidence. When having confidence in machines, it basically tells you that the machine or not. So there, as you can see, I just added some examples, like I wrote ice cream and it told me that it's unhealthy and gave me 100% confidence. When having confidence in machines, it basically tells you that the machine is very confident and sure of what they're saying. So sometimes in other examples, it gave me like 16% or less. So when I saw that, I went and added more data and I tried to train it more and more so that this 16% turns to 100. This is basically how you do an AI and how you build it up. You just keep on training it and testing it and training it and testing it until you're satisfied with the result. So as you can see here, I've added McDonald's and look at what it tells me. Look at the percentage it says 16%. So I was not satisfied with that. So this is basically it. This is how we trained our AI to do what we wanted to and differentiate between healthy and unhealthy food. Next video, Noor will be using and running our AI.
So to start off, you should first click the green flag that is up. After choosing the green flag that is up, the character will tell you to choose any type of food that you desire. So let's give it a try. So let's say I want to eat chocolate. So I'll type in chocolate. After I wrote chocolate, the character will tell me if it's healthy or unhealthy. So here it tells me it's unhealthy and I should try to eat something else. So we wrote lettuce, and then it told me that that's a great choice and I'm eating healthy.
Hello, I'm Razan Majjan and today I'll be adding more on what Noor said about our project. Basically, our AI shows a fun way of eating healthy. So, sometimes when you're eating a meal and you want to know if what you're eating has that many calories or not, or you want to know, is it really that bad? Is it really that unhealthy? Like sometimes when I'm on a diet, I want to know which is better, rice or bread, brown rice or brown bread. They're both good, but which one is better? So this was the point of our AI, and this is why we did it. It is also fun. You could write whatever you're eating, it'll tell you, oh no, it's not good. So I really like this about our project, and I hope it benefits people and prevents obesity around the world. In future, we are also planning on improving it, like maybe adding more options, adding details, adding more data about calories in each food. There are so many things that we can do in the future.